youngsters of tomorrow. Very good morning to all of you. And give a big round of applause. I personally salute Dr. H.M. Gangadharaya, the founder of this great institution. Along with that, Dr. Shiva Prasad, Dr. Parameshwara, the present managers of these institutions. And by thanking Professor Ravi Kumar, Madam, who talked good words about me. I am not so great. I am so simple. I used to talk to youngsters wherever they are. It can be in an institution, it can be in a college, it can be on the roadside, but youngsters all around. If you do not get ahead of others, they will get ahead of you. What it means? What it means? If you do not get ahead of others, they will get ahead of you. Any of you can give me an answer in your hand? Anybody is having mic? You have the confidence to give me an answer. If you do not get ahead of others, they will get ahead of you. Am I ahead of you? You are telling, of course. Now I tell you, you just see who is sitting right, left, back, front. You identify. Who is sitting your right, left, back and front. Then you ask this question. If you do not get ahead of others, those people will get ahead of you. And you feel bad. When they get ahead of you, you feel sad, you feel depressed, you feel jealous, and you start murmuring, you start pointing fault. Yes or no? That is so sad, isn't it? That is so sad. So I am reminding all of you individually from, let me know your name, Chaitra. Chaitra to Nagaraj. Nagesh. To all of you I individually remind, if you do not get ahead of others, they will get ahead of you. And why do you feel bad? Why do you feel depressed? Why do you feel jealous? Why do you put wrath on them? Why do you mock at them? Sorry, youngsters. This is the reality. This is the world of innumerable, immense competitions. You cannot waste a minute of you. I thank the entire institution, I thank this entire college, community, management for giving me a privilege to address my favorite community youngsters. Because I wish to remind them, that's all. Not I wish to teach, because I am not a teacher. I am not a lecturer, I am not a professor. I just a mediator to remind the youngsters, my dear friends, you live in a world of challenge, competition. You don't want to get ahead of others? We don't want Bill Gates in India. Do we need? No, answer is not coming. I need a very exciting participating audience. I need a participating audience. We need Bill Gates, we need very successful people, we need Narayan Murthy, we need Azim Premji, we need lot of successful people from India. This is our nation, we love our country, isn't it? Yes, India is our nation, we love and we need the best. Yes or no? Yes, we need the best. I was talking in a seminar, at the end of the seminar, Mahesh came to me and told, sir, Ramesh is in US. He is a very good successful person, sir. He doesn't talk to me. Ramesh, he is in US. He is in a very good job. He got well placed. He doesn't talk to me. Why, man? Sir, we were very close friends in school, college. In all levels, we were very close. Now, Ramesh doesn't talk to me. What might have been the reason? You tell me. What might have been the reason that Ramesh is not talking to Mahesh? Status? Yes. Give a big round of hand. Somebody gives a good answer. Give a big round of hand voluntarily. Status, position, overseas, reputation made Ramesh not talking to Mahesh. Savitri doesn't talk to Priyanka. Mahesh doesn't talk to Ramesh. Now Ramesh did what wrong Ramesh did? He did big things in life, my friends, isn't it? I reminded Mahesh, have you got colorful result in your exam? No, sir. Do you have a good attitude? No, sir. Because you sit there paparazzi right in front and you're just murmuring. Talk louder, man. No, sir, Ramesh doesn't talk to me, sir. I'm feeling very depressed. I'm feeling very bad. I reminded Mahesh, you are too late. Am I correct? You are too late. Your college days are over. You are knocking at the door of different companies. I beg pardon and tell, indirectly begging. Where were you during your study time? Where were you when you got good opportunities to attend seminars? Whether you are scratching the your right hand student, or you are disturbing somebody, or you are thinking about your village issues, or you are thinking about extracurricular activities, or you were listening in the seminar and knowing that Ramesh may fly to US, I too should fly. So for that, I need good result. Yes or no? Mahesh started crying, falling eye drops. Yes, sir. I did mistake. So the Ramesh and Mahesh issue reminds all of you individually, everybody I'm telling you, it's a classic story where you learn. It is an opportunity, it is a privilege for you to study in a great institution. But study doesn't help you if you don't come out colorfully. Am I correct? If you don't come out colorfully, into which company you get in? You come along with me. I will sit, I will pass the interview. But when I said Maheshwari will fail or Nagaraj will fail. It is you who individually, the success in this world is individually. You cannot take your friend to the interview room. Help me, Ramesh. Help me, Savitri. It is not possible. Your manager cannot help. I took a seminar, I talked well and good, but I cannot help you. In the interview room, you are going to be all alone. Your mark sheets are going to be presented, not my mark sheets, not Mr. Darshan's mark sheet. Am I correct? So what the company chairman is going to see? Your face or my face? So Matthew sir came and talked on 9th of August. Tell my name? No, it won't help you. It won't help you. So therefore, my friends, I am just reminding all of you once again, remember that it is individual. Your success is going to be individual. End of the day, it is going to be your attitude. I will be covering various subjects. Each subject, we describe, we talk, we do lecturing, we do all types of entertainment. At the end of the talk, I ask you some questions and you are not able to give a reply. Remember, you are disturbed. You are not having concentration. You are just attending a seminar because Ravi sir told. You are attending a seminar because Ravi sir told. All the college management told. No, my friends. I am a person who has seen hundreds of youngsters fail very utterly when they go for job. Very good marks. I have interviewed a first rank lady, first rank holder in literature. In my office, I was taking an interview. By seeing the certificate, my eyes were blown open like, what it is? She sits in front, she doesn't talk. She just gave me the certificate, I got hooked up to certificate. But she was just sitting. Sir, I went for so many interviews. I am not getting it. You tell me what might have happened to that girl. Poor girl, I felt very sympathy on her. First rank on literature, not getting a good job in a school, in a college. She can be a good teacher, isn't it? But why is she failed?